Alright guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at Carvana CVNA stock. So today 16% up. The stock had very huge move when they updated about financials a couple weeks ago actually. It's been almost like 10-15 trading days right now ever since we crossed above the $17 resistance that I was watching from the beginning of the year. And if you go to Twitter or even YouTube, there are a lot of people like pushing their bias. I mean, I don't have a position. I mean, I did have a small position, $17 put, thinking that 2 days ago that it would flush all the way to 50-day, all the way to $14. I'm just gonna let it expire. It's a very small, couple $100 position. But the point is, don't let that get to you. So in a big ski, if you just zoom out the chart, I mean, all you have to look at is chart. Okay, if you look at the chart year to date, I mean, it started the year at 480. Stock is even outperforming Nvidia and like big names that have gone up so much, 400% year to date. Okay, year to date, there's nothing like bearish looking at the moment. If you can see like this chart right here right now, I mean, there's not much bearish looking right here right now until the stock slips below 20 bucks. If it's gonna go back above 26, well, here are the levels I'm watching for Carvana. So my next level, I mean, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks. Can it go to 60, 70? Absolutely. The reason why is highly shorted stock. We know that this company doesn't make much money. They burn cash. But the only thing I noticed back in November, I believe, insiders were pretty much loading at those levels. Lowest was 686, highest they paid 11 bucks. And these are not like big value names. Even the CEO was, I think, loading at 20s, I believe, $26 level. Well, just for the context, this stock traded literally year and a half ago at 350 bucks. And CEO was pretty much, I think, Garcia. I don't see him here buying, but he was, you can just go take a look at other sources where you will have pretty much full data of insider transactions. But he was selling a lot, and then as soon as stock started dumping at these low 20s, he was buying back here in the beginning of pretty much June, July, summer of 2022, and stock went as low as 4 bucks, and now we're here at 24 bucks. So basically, if I switch to weekly chart from here, you can see for the past, just let's take a look at from this support trend line that I was watching, blue line. You can see for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks. Only last week was a red week. Every other week is positive. And this week, of course, it just started. We still have a couple more days. But the point is, if the stock manages to close above 25, 26 this week, I mean, squeeze is on. A lot of people, I mean, this is gonna go crazy. This is gonna go nuts. And again, this is just my opinion, okay? I'm not recommending you to buy, because they can also at the same time do a giant offering, and any day overnight this stock can just dump to 10 bucks, okay? That's the reality. That's what you're dealing with when it comes to names like this. But momentum is there, but volume is not there. Okay, volume has pretty much disappeared after this first 2-3 days of this move to 25. That means right here, for the past like 10 days, shorts, I mean, they didn't panic. I didn't see much. Maybe some people covered, but 50% of the float for Carvana is short, and the float is 95 million, and 48 million of that is short. Okay, so watching this name to the upside, if we do break these 25, 26, 27 levels in the coming days, weeks ahead, you want to be careful if you are short, and you want to be also careful with people who are basically trying to pressure your decision making. So when it comes to trading, you don't want to listen to anybody. If you believe in something, you just go for it and just take the loss when you think it's appropriate to do so. And if you believe in something, you can hold on to it, and you don't want to let anybody shake you out of your trade. So that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.